Hi all, I'm Age from Liquid Earth. It's a channel all about video and photography, so if that interests you, consider subscribing. I'm posting every single week. Today though, we're talking about balancing the Osmo Mobile 3. So this gimbal comes with a clamp here, and the first thing to notice is that you've got this little red arrow here, and that's the direction that you need to make sure that your camera's facing. So you literally make sure the camera's facing the right direction and clamp it into place. Really simple. And then you're just going to hold the arm, and we're going to try along the horizontal balance first. So we're just sliding the phone left and right so that it's fairly stable. Once you get that right, then you can do the vertical. So if you go to the vertical, we want to do the same thing, and you've got this little clamp that slides left and right. So I usually make sure that's roughly in the center, see if that's balanced, make some micro adjustments there. Once it's staying in place, just double check the horizontal again, and that's moving over there, so we want to move that out a little bit. That looks good. Make sure it's still okay along the vertical, and that's now balanced. So all we do is we turn it on, we're balanced and good to go. So that's how to simply balance the Osmo Mobile 3. Hope that was useful. If it was, consider subscribing. As I said, I'm posting every single week. Thanks again for watching. I really do appreciate your support, and I hope to see you next time. Take care.